Oh boy! The mail's here! North Star. That's the lazy to do music.
Hey, Doodle.
Yeah.
And also, do I look like... Oh.
Yes, you kind of do look like a man. What the fuck was that ringing noise? Look, Rod, a library grand opening flyer. Yes, I said that weirdly, but look, I found one. I don't know. Are you male? Hey guys. What's going on?
Oh, I don't know. Somebody thinks I'm male, though.
Squeak. Let's go to the library. Yay! Doo-doo-doo-doo. Where did my face go? Wait, do you have a driver's license? Wait, we're going backwards. We're here. Let's read books. Yeah, this is like a good idea. Yeah, let's read some books. What's that book about?
You don't need to know.
That seems odd. What's odd? Just a quick clarification. My crew kinda did a bad job on the script. No offense. So I don't know what's going on here. But let's just say, Doodleman and Fire already know that that's like whatever, a red thing. Now they know where, what do you want? A hammer? No. Knife? No. Armor? Yes, finally. Okay, I just magically gave you a sword and armor. Check 'em on. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end this video here. See you guys in episode 5.